When we met, Brendan lived in Boston and I lived in Beverly on the North Shore. I'm a foot and ankle surgeon.
I'm a commercial insurance broker, and I work from home.
We got married 4 months ago and recently found out we're pregnant, so it's really important that we find a house quickly.
No, it looks nice.
Yeah, I love the front porch.
Hey, guys.
Hey,
Hey.
I know it's not a colonial, but this is exactly kind of like what Ashley's looking for. The perfect farmhouse.
I love it. It's everything I want.
It's going for 1.75, which is a really good deal in Manchester by the Sea. It's new construction, it's difficult to find, and it hasn't hit the market yet.
It gives me a little bit of anxiety walking into something at the very tip of our budget. You know, we've got the new baby coming. It's scary.
High ceilings.
Very high.
Love it.
Oh, look at the wall. I like the texture on that wall.
Yeah, incredible wainscoting gives it a nice little look. Crown molding throughout.
More of an older feel with the crown molding.
Take a look at this. Perfect for an office.
Nice. I like the accent wall, too.
It does not have that stone fireplace you desire, but it does have a fireplace nonetheless.
Yeah.
It's one switch, off and on.
Gold fixtures.
You got the gold fixtures, quartz countertop, high-end appliances, wine fridge.
You can't get any better with the open concept.
You have a space here. You can put a table here if you choose to.
And the lighting is nice, but nothing in here is old. I don't feel any character in this house at all. The house is gorgeous, but the house is just not me. If you're wondering what almost a $2 million home would get you, this floor has not squeaked one time.
You have to think of the maintenance as well. In this case, everything's new.
I like that there's not gonna be a lot of maintenance at all.
Right? No maintenance.
Yeah, that is a huge plus. And the yard is huge. Just think about, you know, a couple years from now, I have a pool, outdoor space, garden, little T-ball area. I mean, this is a very large yard.
Yeah. The other thing you would get with this house is a very happy pregnant wife.
Well, I like to make you happy, but I also am
There
very
is no but.
smart.
There is no but.
There is
I
no
also like to save a little bit of money.
Yeah, I understand.
I've been living in New Orleans my entire life. I'm a science teacher at an all-boys school.
I'm a second grade elementary school teacher. We've been married for about 6 months. I do have a 7-year-old daughter, Charlotte, and I am almost 6 months pregnant with our son.
They're heading to see a house Remy's mom found for sale. She noticed the listing since it's the house their family lived in years ago when Remy was a child.
How's it look?
Like I just traveled in a time machine. This is weird.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Color the same?
same color. Yeah, that was a garage.
I can see because the driveway like follows up to it.
There is an upstairs though.
Yeah, I know, that makes me a little hesitant.
Hey guys!
Hey,
Hey
Stephanie.
Steph, what's up?
What do y'all think so far?
I love the front porch, and it's definitely got some of the symmetry I was looking for.
And Remy, how do you feel about being back in Kenner?
I don't want to end up back in Kenner, and then this amplifies it because it's my actual house.
Remy's mom reached out to me and sent me the home. She has a special attachment to it. It's been updated since he's lived in it. It does have a little bit of open concept, which is what Trisha's looking for, but there's only one way to find out.
My mom is more excited than we are.
Ooh, stairs.
Right when you walk
Yeah,
in.
there they are. I'm a little nervous even just to go look up there.
Well, let's do downstairs first
Okay.
then.
Oh, look at the fireplace. It's exactly how it used to be.
Is it?
Wow.
Wood-burning fireplace, it is functional.
I have to get a picture for Mom.
Of course.
Mom's gonna love that. And these floors, not real wood.
No.
Yeah.
These are durable though with pets and kids.
Yeah, for me, I don't mind. It's better than carpet. They're easy to clean.
Right.
Yeah. Fire alarm. 1.
Fire alarm.
We're good. We're gonna start the tally.
And how do you feel about the updated kitchen? I know this is not original
Yeah.
to the house. There's no way.
No. The only thing I remember about the kitchen was this skinny.
Like a little galley
Just a-
kitchen.
yeah, a little galley, yeah. So I like how it's open, right? I
Right,
don't
open
feel
to the living.
claustrophobic.
I love that it's white. You've got a little bit of color and pattern here in the marble. It's definitely more my taste than Remy's as far as the kitchen goes.
So this used to be a garage.
It's
so-
nicely redone.
It is. You do have laundry in here.
I used to play school here with my sister. We had like an easel, a little chalkboard, and we would take
Stop.
turns being teacher. I can't get past that this is the exact house that I grew up in, right? It amplifies, right, my fear of ending up in the same place that I started. I feel like I didn't go anywhere in life, right, if I end up right here.
I am 24, and I currently work at a tech company out of Austin as a sales development manager.
I'm also 24, and I'm transitioning from an accounting job in Austin to go and work in the family flooring business.
We've been married 9 months, and so far it has been absolutely amazing. Not to my surprise.
This one's listed for $292,500.
I like it.
So it has the slurry.
It does have the slurry.
Which you know I'm not the biggest fan of.
I had a feeling you might say that.
Yeah.
But maybe the inside will change your mind.
Well, the yard looks nice and the landscaping's already done, so maybe that can help me kind of look past the slurry a little bit.
All right, let's go in here and take a look.
Oh, wow. Nice.
All right.
This house would be an amazing fit for McKenna and John. I think it has everything on their wish list as far as bedrooms and having a gym and also an office. Nice open living room.
Very open. I love that. Yes.
Yeah. It's got the crown molding.
The crown molding.
Yeah.
Yes. And it's up high too.
I like the natural light, but I feel like those windows, like, why'd they make them so small? Like, wouldn't it be better if it was like the whole wall, maybe?
Yeah, I see a lot of builders are doing this now to provide a place for maybe a couch.
It doesn't have the fireplace.
What do you think about the flooring, the vinyl
I like
plank?
it. I like the vinyl plank. Yeah, and it's light color.
Yeah.
This is one that I thought you would really like, McKenna.
I do really like this.
Yes.
Yeah.
Definitely very bright.
Yes, it is, yeah.
Love the island. Definitely plenty of open space for John to sit and talk to me while I'm cooking.
Yep.
It's got nice stainless steel appliances, and I like the fact that all the cabinets have handles on them. That really helps with wear and tear.
Yeah. I don't know if I'm the biggest fan of the handles. We may want to look at replacing those, but yeah.
I like the handles.
You do?
Yeah.
Man, we'll talk about that.
Right here off this front bedroom, I thought this room would make a great office for you,
Yeah.
McKenna. I know
Yeah,
that's what
I
you're
agree.
looking for.
I'm not really the biggest fan of this carpet. Is this like in all the bedrooms throughout the house?
It is in all the bedrooms.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, I just don't like that color,
Yeah.
and it's a little old, so we might want to fix that.
You know, I know a carpet guy.
Yeah, I was gonna say, so do I.
I do.
Very true.
Yes.
Very true.
It doesn't have the pool and the fireplace. It's a good 45 minutes away from my work. Oh, and the slurry. I'm still not a fan.
Not a fan of the
No,
slurry.
it may take some coming around to that.
I'm Emily. I'm a pediatric dietitian.
And I'm John, and I'm a financial planner.
We met 9 years ago, and we got married just under 1 year ago. We're newlyweds. We just want to have that single family home that we can really start our life together as a married couple.
First up, a place in Amherst that's 1 hour to Emily's job.
It's only $550.
Kind of means that it probably would require a lot of projects and renovations.
I mean, what you're seeing as a con, I see as a really big pro.
Hey guys.
Hello.
How we doing?
Good morning.
Awesome. So what do you think, John, so far?
Not a big fan of the color.
I think it's cute. It has like a nice kind of like cottage, cozy vibe. I also want to ask you, is that a Christmas tree farm?
It is indeed, yeah. You will never have a shortage of Christmas trees, that's for sure.
Well, no, but we still have, I mean, John, like, look how tall these pine trees are.
Those are really nice.
I see the pines, though I see some houses.
The market in southern New Hampshire is extremely competitive. A lot of people come here from out of state because they can get a lot more home per dollar. You get a lot more acreage typically. For John and Emily, there are complete opposites. So that makes it really challenging with such low inventory and getting things to be head-on perfect.
Oh, it's a little tight.
Yeah, when you walk in, you just look directly at stairs and a toilet.
I like the floors, though.
Let's go into this living room area right here.
Ah, cool. I love that these floors carry through.
Look at this fireplace. I'm thankful it's not gas. I'd say if this brick went all the way up to the ceiling, that'd be ideal. Maybe a mantle, but any little project that has to do with a fire, I'm a little bit more okay with.
But I like this wood. It's different. It adds a little bit of like texture to the room.
Yeah.
I would say I don't love the color of the room. It's giving me a little bit of like ketchup mustard vibes, but that's something we could change easily.
Come take a look at this bedroom with its main bathroom.
It's kind of awkward that you walk right into the sink area.
And then this bathroom, there's no windows in here. The scary fluorescent light.
Talk about a project.
Yeah, it feels a little like a prison cell.
It's a nice size.
Ooh, I love the window. There's such great light in here.
Taking into consideration all the work that needs to be done on the inside, it's gonna add up.
But this house is only $550, and that's like way under.
If we were just gonna maybe find a house that costs $100,000 more and already has all this done, I don't wanna have to spend all this time and money really focusing on the renovation.
I'm Michael, and I'm a real estate agent here in the Denver metro area. And this is my wife, Sierra.
And I'm an interior designer. So we've been together for 6 years now, and
Just got married.
4 days ago.
We want to buy now because ultimately we want more space.
2-car garage I'm seeing, though.
I mean, you could park on the side, too. But
I don't know.
Very pretty.
Look at your trees. Like, this
Yes.
could be really amazing.
I know, it feels like we're almost in the forest.
It's just under 2 acres.
I love the front porch.
Needs a little work.
The color is grody, but we're gonna paint it.
It's not my taste because it looks like a ranch-style home, which I really wanted farmhouse, but we're experiencing low inventory.
Okay, walking
Wow.
right into a big kitchen island.
Dark countertops, white appliances. I mean,
Like-
definitely not our style.
I personally love the color of the wood, but you guys like a lot lighter colors.
It's very traditional. I mean, it's lovely cherry wood, but it's just not my style. I know you want a white kitchen, so maybe we could compromise, get some light, lovely wood cabinets, but do maybe a white quartz countertop for you.
That would feel more fresh.
And I know I get a really good discount on cabinetry.
And I feel like with this big brick wall and the large island, you have this itty bitty hallway to get through here.
Yeah, the island is way too big, so we would definitely have to shrink it, probably shift it more towards the back as well.
But are you gonna live through this? I mean, something I love about being in a new build is that my kitchen's already done. I don't have to worry about, getting dust in my food while I cook because it's already completed.
That's part of the renovation, so I'm prepared to do all that.
In a fixer, there's a lot of unknown costs. You have older electrical, older plumbing that you don't know the exact condition of. That's where I'm a little hung up.
Ooh.
This is huge.
This is huge.
Huge deck.
Trip would have a ball riding the ATVs out here.
I mean, that barn's pretty cool, and we could totally utilize that for storage of the ATVs.
Absolutely. It is still a little far from Trip's dad.
Think of all that you can do in this space. You're so talented. I've seen you do this on many homes, but I do think that there's something to be said about not having to live in trying to fix up bathrooms and things like that.
I agree.
Katie and I met in New Jersey at grad school. We're both PAs, physician assistants. I practice in emergency medicine. She does primary care. You're the one who bought the avocados, and look at it.
I didn't pick the right ones, I'm sorry.
No.
I think I just envision that family life together, and I get excited about the thought of having our family and raising kids here.
Newlyweds Katie and Braxton are ready to start a family in Gilbert, Arizona.
Hey, you two.
Not loving this color, Brian.
I understand. I know.
This is the color of the dirt.
I understand. I drove up and said the same thing. Katie's gonna kill me. But
I'll give this a chance.
Well,
this
excellent.
Is just maybe we can repaint the whole thing.
Ready to go inside?
Yeah. Let's
Okay.
go.
Yeah.
This is nice.
A nice vaulted ceiling.
Yeah, no, I like these vaulted ceilings. That's awesome.
So here we have a wood-burning fireplace, recessed lights.
I
Real wood
love
burning.
that.
Absolutely.
I could totally see us doing this in a library type feel here.
I like the color
The color
scheme in
schemes
here.
is exactly
Yeah,
kind of what
this is
you've been
nice.
wanting. So
Are these quartz countertops?
They're quartz countertops.
Okay.
They updated the kitchen with paint on the cabinets, more current hardware. It's actually a floor tile that's been used as a backsplash tile.
feels
So
like
really
wood.
cute.
It feels real. It's not like wallpaper. But I think Katie and I have always just had this picture in our head of big open concept. I think, again, having friends over.
And this is definitely the opposite of that.
Right. Yeah. This could be a formal dining area.
Oh, true. Okay. This is
and
cool.
Little built-in. There's a little door that opens up here.
No.
So storage for potential
storage.
wine
That's cool.
or
Storage.
safe room.
Or a speakeasy.
What?
A speakeasy. You pull the book
Excellent.
off the shelf,
Excellent.
and I'm back there making cocktails. I think it's the best use of space possible.
Absolutely.
This is a nice space. I do love all of the hardwood floors. And I like this staircase as well. It adds a lot of character.
So you have the first floor bedroom with a full bath right next to it.
I imagine your family, my family coming into town, and someone has their own kind of suite.
Yeah.
And then over
Alright,
here's
then
the
here's the bathroom over
Yep,
here.
yep.
Okay. I really am hoping to see something with a little more open concept. Also a pool in the backyard. And then maybe an additional bedroom as well.
Absolutely. Yes, we can find something for you to see.